Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is step 4 in the Migration SQL Databases to Azure series. In this step, we will provision the SQL MI. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, before we left the last video, you see here that my virtual network gateway has been deployed. Perfect. It's in good condition, but I have not made any connections. That is why it does not have any connections. We'll see how we play with it later. But let me go and deploy the SQL MI. Okay, so you create a resource. You present SQL MI, Azure SQL Manage Instance. Click on it. Okay, click on Create. Select the okay, and you put in the Manage Instance name. You can add any suffix. I'm just mentioning the name as suffix, right? Okay, region would be West US 2. Okay, compute plus storage, select configure and manage instance. You click on here. General purpose, 4 cores, 480. Set the 4 cores to 4 and the storage to 32. Okay, and select business critical generation. Service. Apply. Manage instance admin login. Password. Remember the password. Okay. I'll mention the password. Networking. In the virtual network, click on the manage instance that you have already created. So selected subnet will be automatically configured for managed instance. Network security group will be created and applied to this subnet. Route table will be created and applied to this subnet. Subnet will be delegated to manage instance service. Okay, and network policy will also be applied. Public endpoint is disabled. Okay. Connection type, I'm going with proxy default. Public endpoint is disabled. Security. additional security. I'm not. Then you run review create. Deploying managed instance is a long running operation taking up to 6 hours. Review create and create. We'll have to wait for 4 hours till this is deployed. It takes usually 4+ hours if this is the first instance that is being deployed into a subnet. So we will move on to remaining tasks like creating the jump box and other resources. And so make a note that if the deployment process goes beyond 6 hours, we may need to submit a support ticket to request assistance in completing the setup. But I'm hoping that it would complete it probably in 4 to 6 hours. So with the next video, we will create the jump box VM and configure few things on that, which will help us to create the lab. Okay. I hope this was useful for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.